Hello everyone, welcome to another virtual tour here at locators.ph, the best properties all over the Philippines just for you. We are looking on the screen, the corner lot property. Owner is asking to market this property for 6 million pesos. A very good bargain given its location, and 238 square meters ang ating property at corner lot siya. So, the property, although obviously has seen its glory days, ang potential talaga nito is yung kanyang location. As you can see, corner lot siya and fully fenced. So ilang kotse ang pwede dito. This is a very good place for apartment or in the future, Alpha Mart, small gasoline station dahil doon sa kanyang area ay madami pa actually ang residential area dyan. This actually is Holy Infant Jesus College previously, and merong mga usap-usapan na ang school na yan will operate soon. So this school used to bring in more than 1,000 students dahil malaking-malaki ang building, and as you can see, dalhin ko lang kayo very quickly sa kabahayan dito. Mahaba at malaki ang school, so madami ding kabahayan dyan nearby at wala silang ibang pupuntahan to buy all of their needs kung hindi dito sa palabas ng, actually meron mga labasan doon, but this is a wider and better road. As you can see, very established ang mga kabahayan at develop, panay sementado na sila, may mga apartments on the rise. We have a special virtual tour of the interior of the house, which is one of my favorites dahil personally designed ng owner ang property na ito. So they gave it a very good thought talaga. Actually, naka-anay finish yan, so hindi siya basta-basta talaga masisira. It has seen and the a lot of times, although this is a very old picture of the property, konting hilamos lang, etong gutter has already been repaired. So, bago na ang kanyang gutter. And as you can see, very rare ang ganitong house na may malaking terrace sa loob. It has a small library inside. I'm getting ahead of myself for the virtual tour. Inside the property, it has 3 bedrooms, a small library, and the master suite is massive. It can actually be split into two pa para sa more practical setup. And yan siya. So very excited to show you the inside of the house. I just wanted to show you the exterior. For now, naka-anay finish. As you can see, very matibay ang kanyang wall. Repairs for the place. Mind you, when this was offered to be marketed, pakita ko lang sa inyo, this corner lot right here has been sold for 7 million and it's bare. So, ang binabayaran mo din kasi sa kanya is corner lot and yung kanyang pagka-highway dito. As you can see, yan na ang yellow jeepney. But, as I said, this property has been sold for 7 million. And in close vicinity siya sa area natin dito. So, ito lang tayo. Kung gusto nyo maglagay ng commercial space, very convenient to put it there dahil subdivision dito, more than 1,000 population. Iba din ang population hanggang dun sa may Marikit and the interior lots. Kung apartment ka, walking distance sa jeepney, hindi na kailangan mag-tricycle. So that's another plus point for the property. Unlike the apartments being sold here, talagang kailangan mo mag-tricycle kasi hindi na yan nadadaanan ng public transportation. Tricycle na lang talaga ang pwede. Pero itong property natin dito, kayang-kayang lakarin, very safe kung merong mga estudyante, for families who would want to avail. And like I said, very matibay ang wall. If hindi nyo type ang house, there's very big room for improvement ng bahay, and very pleasant ang owner. Madali siyang kausap. So, corner lot tayo, and watch for the next video of the house tour inside. Thank you for watching.